Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to set up a verification system in your Discord server. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up a web browser and come to securitybot.gg and click on Add Security. Then what you can do is sign in and choose your server. After you've added it, return to Discord, and now you want to type in /verification, enable like so, and go and send the command. Now type in /verification setup channel. You can select it from the list and go and send that message, and the verification channel will be set up, as you can see. Now what you want to do is choose the type. So type in /verification type. And you can then choose what the different options. Here I'll just have a one click and send that. Now all you need to do is go to the top left of the server and go and click on the name and then click on server settings. Now click on roles and unverified role will be automatically made. And you can now go and click on create role. And you can go and create the verified role. But you can go and name that what you want on it. You could go and name it verified or whatever. You can choose any specific permissions you want and then press save changes. Now come back to the chat and type in /verification and set _verified. And you can then go and choose the role. Let me click on role and then members. So that is the role people get once they complete the verification. And that's it. Now when someone joins the server, they'll need to go and complete the verification. And once they have, they'll then go and be a part of the members role and they can start accessing your server. You can always go and test this with an old account just to make sure that it's working correctly. So that's basically how you can set up a verification system in your Discord server. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.